Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to do a chapter called Purandara Dasa, a school trip to Hampi. So let us start it. Suraj says, Mohan, have you taken permission from your parents to go to the school trip? Mohan says, my parents were happy about the place, so they were more than happy to send me. How about you, Anand? Same here. My sister told me that even in the destroyed condition, Hampi speaks highly of King Krishnadevaraya. George said, the Vijayanagara Empire was founded by Hakka and Bukka. I read it on the internet. It is situated on the banks of the river Tungabhadra. Suraj said, we were still thinking of getting permission and you have already collected some information. What more have you read? George said, one more thing that I understood. There is a stone chariot. There is also the Vitala temple that has special type of pillars. When struck, they give out 7 musical notes. You will learn more when you come to the class. All right, Mr. Know All. We will meet next Friday then. Bye everybody. Suraj and Mohan have gone far away from their group. They have all come to Hampi with their teachers. Suraj says, Mohan, look at the old building near the river. Mohan said, shall we go and see what it is? Suraj said, sure, it looks like a mantapa. Both of them enter the mantapa. Suraj said, look, there is a statue of a man with a tambura in his hand. Mohan replied, and a pair of cymbals too. He is Purandara Dasa. Suraj said, he is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. He composed devotional songs and sang in praise of him. Mohan said, what simplicity in his looks. Can you believe it? He was such a rich man before he became the devotee of the Lord. Suraj said, can you please tell me his story? Mohan replied, I don't know the details. We will go to our teacher. She will tell us the story. Suraj replied, yes, it will be fun. She is sitting there with the others. Shall we go? Mohan said, come, let us go. That's all in this chapter. Let us look for some word meanings. Devotee means a person who worships God. Composer means writer of songs or music. Cymbals means plates of brass which produce ringing sound. Chariot means this. That's all everybody. Thank you for watching and have a great day.